Okay, Divya, over to you. Let's start the show. Before I, introduce the panelists, and we are already upward of 350 almost in the Zoom room. So let's get going.
Great, Abhishek. Thank you so much. I'm super excited to see already 300 plus audience before the timing. People are so excited to hear it from you and all of us. So good morning, all the students, parents, and school counselors and educators. Welcome to High School Moms. My name is Divya Khandelwal and I'm your fellow high school mom. I started High School Moms because I felt that there is so much of noise and confusion all around us, and we cannot trust what we see in the marketing done by the educational companies. There was definitely a need to have our own community, a community of moms, by moms, but for our children, and hence HSM was born. I have spent over 4 years building this community for all of you, and I could not have done it without your support. Thank you so much for being there and backing me. We have helped over 3 lakh parents and students through our various events, and I could not have done this without the support of Mr. Abhishek Gupta. Mr. Gupta is not only a fine speaker, but also a great personality. He has a huge command over English, Hindi, and is super awesome with Sanskrit shlokas. He is an India's best career counselor and is recipient of prestigious Times Education Icon. He is an alumni of University of California, Los Angeles. He has counseled over 30,000 students and has spoken at over 600 career workshops now. So without taking much time, let me request our host of the day, someone who's going out of the way to help high school moms, Mr. Abhishek Gupta, to carry on with the show. Over to you, Mr. Gupta.
Thank you. Sagar, can I have Aditya out of the room, please? Thank you. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Almost 400 plus already in the Zoom room, and I'm very, very sure we'll touch about 550, 600 by the time we are 10 minutes into the show. That's like Indian sliding time at times. All right. So just to help me know where are you guys from, can I have quickly in the chat box the cities that you are representing? This will help our panelists know where are you guys from. And I want to see the entire India represented. Lucknow, Patiala, Gurgaon, Bareilly, Haridwar, Amritsar, Nashik, Kolkata, Mumbai, Surat, Chandigarh, Hathras, Bangalore, Pune, Karnataka, Navi Mumbai, Dhule, Kerala. Super. Jharkhand, Bareilly. Where is the East? Where is the East? Somebody from the East. Come on, quickly. Kolkata. There is the East. Assam as well. East is now coming up. Thank you so very much. This is super, super awesome. 430 in the Zoom room, Divya, and about 2,300 across 3 Facebook pages and 1 Facebook group. Nobody can do it but Divya Khandelwal and the high school moms. Nobody can do it. This is super crazy. All right, so today we have Kanchi Khanna and Vikram Patel, 2 very good friends of mine. And just to tell you how much time it takes Divya and Abhishek and high school moms to bring these kind of people to you, Vikram has come from Jodhpur overnight just to talk to you guys. And that to Jodhpur airport is not working. So imagine he taking a train so that he's back in the comfort of his house and can talk to you on a Sunday. Imagine the effort that goes in planning an event like this. It has taken over 3 months to plan such an event. Me and Vikram started talking about it almost 3 months back. These guys are super busy people. And if they have taken out time for all the high school moms out there, it speaks volume about their character, volume about their emotions, and volume about the fact that they really want to make a difference by not saying a yes to a company, but a community to come and talk to you. Kanchi is Director Outreach at Kriya University, a recipient of IC3's Counseling-Based Approach to Student Recruitment 2019. Kanchi is a Marketing and Communications Specialist. She has worked as communications designer and design teacher for over a decade before taking on educational management. And believe you me, since the time I know her as a gem of a human, somebody who has won friends across the industry. Everybody seems to be talking very highly of Kanchi. She's passionate about the promotion of liberal education, and we have been talking about liberal education, Kanchi, over the last few weeks at High School Moms. So your insight on liberal education will really help all the mothers and the students out there. In India and SAARC nations, earlier as Director Outreach of Ashoka University, so oh my God, you bring crazy amount of years of experience. and now Director Outreach for Kriya University. Welcome to the show, Kanchi. Thank you so much for taking out time and coming here.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you. My pleasure being here.
Thank you. We have Vikram Patel with expertise in brand communication, strategic planning, and creative direction. Vikram has over 7 years of phenomenal experience in education, outreach, and communications. Prior to taking up the promotion of liberal education in India, he has worked with advertising agencies, handling experiential marketing projects, event management, operations, and client servicing. He's a rank holder and graduate in computer applications from Mangalore University and has completed his master's degree in business with a major in brand communications from Navi Mumbai. Vikram, thank you so very much. I know both of you guys so well that it feels weird when I read out such phenomenal introductions for you, because for me, you are simply Vikram and she's simple Kanchi, right? And ladies and gentlemen, just to tell you, Kanchi is one of the driving forces behind, so apart from being an Director Outreach for Kriya, she is the driving force behind High School Moms, who stands by Divya all through the journey. And she is also a part of the core counselor committee at High School Moms. So what events you see are basically the credit goes to people like Kanchi Khanna. So let's welcome Kanchi and Vikram. Give me a big YY in the chat so that I can hit the button and set the ball rolling. Give me a big YY in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a big YY. Show that your voice is reaching to their hearts. I want YY in the caps. I want YY in the caps. Running letters, small letters do not reach our ears. I want YY in the caps. You need to tell these two people, how excited were you? Okay, we are almost 500 in the Zoom room. Tell them how excited were you, okay, to listen to them. Super awesome. Okay, my first question, and we will straight away jump into the discussion, Kanchi and Vikram.
Sure.
We all know that the world has changed. The world was changing since almost a decade. COVID made it change a little faster. So what we would have expected after a decade from now is already happening. After a decade from now, we could have accepted that we would all work virtually most of the time and saving our commuting and traveling time. Today it's happening, and this has happened within 3 months. It is very, very sure, and you guys and you know, everybody like us, we keep on discussing how future careers will be different. But most often than not, every time we talk about future careers, generally it gets stuck at sciences. So people will say only computer science is a future career, which is so unfortunate, because I remember me and Kanchi having a discussion and we realized that, hey, future is even for humanities, liberal arts and commerce students. My first question to you, Kanchi, what kind of careers in the future do you see our kids will actually be working for?
So Abhishek, what you said really holds true. And there were uncertain times always, but this uncertainty became multifold with the coming of the pandemic, and within weeks, the entire world had shut down, right? So the changed reality is that the workplace is changing, work availabilities are changing, compensation packages are changing, everything is changing in the workplace. So there's a lot of stress and a lot of anxiety. And if I can put a couple of data points here, almost 12 crore people in India have lost their jobs. So we were always talking about jobs being lost to automation and to robotics and robots coming in and taking our jobs. But we never realized that such a thing would happen and so many of us would lose our jobs. But there's good news. There's a whole lot of jobs that are being coming up. And of course, we are a resilient race, humans are. We have worked around, we have developed capabilities which are going to take us forward. And when I say capabilities, I think the biggest skill that we need today is copability, more than capability, right? So even though the jobs have been lost, but there's every crisis is an opportunity, and in this opportunity we see so many careers being thrown up, right? And also the good news for youngsters is all of those who are sitting here, the 520 of you, that people who are mid-level or senior level, my age, are more likely to lose jobs than you would, right? Because you are smarter, you're more open to being skilled. So don't worry, it's good news. What kind of careers? Yes, digital economy is going to boom. So IT, cloud computing, machine learning, yes, is going to go up. But what's also going to go up is all jobs which rely on emotional intelligence. So whether it is counseling, whether it is market research, customer care, all those kinds of jobs are really going to be brought front and center, right? The frontline jobs may lose some attraction, like the doctors and nurses might feel we don't want to do this, but the gig economy is going to happen. A lot of us are opening up to many, many projects across the world. Right today, sitting here in India, this pandemic has made me realize I can do a project in Brazil while I'm sitting here. The Brazil person is so excited because he can get somebody right from India without having to hire them or get visa issues and all. So it's a win-win for everyone. It's going to be a wonderful economy post-pandemic. We have learned a lot and we are super excited about what's coming ahead.
Super awesome. So I really liked when you said that, okay, it will start with IT and cloud computing, and anybody who is interested in computer science as a career, definitely there will be plethora of options for you, and you should definitely try and look at computer science as an area of study. And just for my, just for the understanding for all the parents out there, please start differentiating computer science from sciences. You can study computer science even if you have not studied physics, chemistry, and biology. Please understand that. Yes, a little bit of mathematics will help because maths is not about computers, it is about logic. So you develop logic and reasoning and analytical skills. So that's why maths will help. But a computer science can be done even if your child is studying in humanities or commerce and can very well pursue computer science. So here is my question, Kanchi, before I jump into two back-to-back questions with Vikram, right? So for second question, back to you again. Kriya is such a phenomenal university. You know it that I have a high expectation from Kriya, considering it's a new university. But I have seen the way you guys work. I understand the legacy that you come with. You have IFMR as the backing institution, which is almost like half a century old.
Yes.
And it is such a huge research-based institution where companies like JP Morgan, Chase, PricewaterhouseCoopers, these are the kind of consulting companies which come and hire. And the reason why I love Kriya and why I was behind you to come and talk to high school moms for the last 3 months is simply because when you start a master's institution first, right, you have really made a lot of corporate connect. And that's when you start at an undergrad school. So when you start a bachelor's school after 50 years of masters running and research running, I am very, very sure that you guys are doing everything right. You guys are not in a hurry. I have literally not seen any marketing from your side. I don't see big ads from your side. I don't see you guys being available on each and every webinar. You're very selective. When everything is going so good, I'm sure that you have also worked on your program structure really well, right? I'm sure a lot of thought has gone into it. While we were talking about computer science, can you tell me, there is this career in cloud computing and in data science. Before we jump to, and parents, please be with me. Do not move out of the Zoom room. I am definitely not letting these two people go without talking about commerce and humanities and liberal arts career. So you have to be with me, right? Let's start with computer science because that's what Kanchi mentioned first. So, Kanchi, careers बहुत हैं. Computer science से related careers बहुत हैं, and this is for the people who might not be comfortable with English. ऐसे कौन से courses हैं क्रिया में जो मेरे को इन careers तक लेके जाएंगे? हैं तो बताइए, नहीं हैं तो ना बताइए. But please ensure you're talking to a community, Kanchi.
Yes, absolutely. So Abhishek, I'll start with an example. My son did his undergraduation in computer science. He also did it from a liberal university, interestingly. और उसने majors अपना computer science में लिया, minors अपना economics में लिया, और कुछ electives उसने political science में लिया. Now, ऐसा बच्चा कहाँ जाएगा? You have to understand, Abhishek, that computer scientists don't work only in tech companies. Computer scientists will work across the sectors in so many kinds of businesses. आज आप business शुरू करते हो, आप tech बंदे को hire करते हो. Why do you do it? Right? And you will obviously want to hire a tech person who will understand your business. So for somebody like my son who has these three on his, the finance sector was very excited. Here is a kid who's a computer scientist but understands the political and economic aspect of it. He got hired by Goldman Sachs, and he's in he's been with them in their tech team, in their cloud computing team. So even though he is a computer scientist, he still knows economics like the back of his hand. So that's what Kriya brings. Right? It's going to make you a master in whatever you are interested in, whatever major you have chosen in, but it's also going to give you a 360-degree perspective of how to be a good computer scientist. Something that a pure tech university, pure tech CS program will not. It's only going to teach you programming and programming and programming and systems. And at the end of the day, these are going to become defunct in 3 years. 3 साल बाद क्या 6 महीने बाद नई लैंग्वेज आ जाएगी. सो अगर आप एक लिबरल यूनिवर्सिटी से सीएस करते हैं, आपको not only will you learn whatever you need to learn at that point to get your first job, you're learning to be a good communicator, you're learning to be a good researcher, you're learning how to become a good computer scientist in today's world. I think that is what a liberal university, and that is what really Kriya brings to courses like computer science, right? Because it's marrying humanities, social sciences with the computer science.
Wow. So
just one more thing, that even if you are doing social sciences and humanities, you will still learn some bit of computers at Kriya.
Wow. So you are trying to tell me, Kanchi, that if somebody has taken humanities in grade 11 and 12, that person can definitely come and study computer science at Kriya?
Absolutely. Why not? In fact, आप physics भी नहीं करे हैं, आप still you want to come and do sciences at Kriya, you can do it. Wow. If you are really interested, genuinely interested, you come here, you show us that you are, this is your passion, and this is how there will be a guide, there will be a mentor, and they'll work with you. If there is some bridge program you need to do to be able to take it up, we'll be there supporting your thing.
Wow.
Yes. So okay. Anybody can come and do anything at Kriya.
So ladies and gentlemen, I'm opening the chat. I'm opening the chat for you to just tell how beautiful that answer was. Give me a big thumbs up. Give me a smiley. Give me anything. Give me anything in the chat. Just say how good it was. Give me a big thumbs up, a smiley. Give me anything in the chat. See, Kanchi, that's how people resonate. Right? That's
wonderful.
High school norms.
Thank you so much.
The question here is, and this is for the parents, because next question is for Vikram Patel. Parents, please understand liberal education. जहां पे आपके बच्चे को वो पढ़ने को मिले जो आपका बच्चा पढ़ना चाहता है, उसको लिबरल एजुकेशन बोलते हैं. जहां पे आपके बच्चे को एक दायरे में नहीं बांधा जाता, उसको लिबरल एजुकेशन बोलते हैं. जहां पे आपका बच्चा मल्टीपल चीजें सीख सकता है, बिकॉज फ्यूचर मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी है, इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी है, उसको लिबरल एजुकेशन बोलते हैं. एक बात को ध्यान से समझिएगा. आई एम अ करियर कोच. कांची नोज मी वेल. You guys have been hearing me for years after years. From 300 people in the Zoom room, we are already at 560, and this is what happens. This is what happens when you guys start believing in a movement, in a community. Please understand that liberal education is the future, and I am taking the full responsibility of saying it. This is my opinion. As a career coach, I am not happy with nationalized universities. Simply because I don't want somebody to study 18th century curriculum taught by 19th century teachers to the kids who were born in 21st century. आपके मेरे बच्चे उस जॉब के लिए तैयार होंगे जो आज एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती. 15 साल बाद आप और मैं तो नहीं रहेंगे, लेकिन हम जब ऊपर से देखें तो हमें यह पता हो कि हमारा बच्चा सक्सेसफुल है, हमारा बच्चा सुखी है, हैप्पी है, और उसके लिए लिबरल एजुकेशन इज द फ्यूचर. एंड दैट्स वेयर अ यूनिवर्सिटी लाइक Kriya, when you hear me talking in my webinars that I'm a big fan of Kriya, this is the reason why I'm a big fan of Kriya, and you need to now believe me. So what I'm trying to say here is liberal education is the future. And Vikram, coming to the question now, Kanchi talked about computer science, right? What if somebody is 570 हो गए Vikram Zoom में? आपको अगर मैं Facebook का डेटा दूं, 1 मिनट दीजिएगा, तीनों पेज मिला करके 3768, 3768 Vikram.
Wonderful.
right?
That's
This is
amazing.
the reach. 4000 लोग सुन रहा है विक्रम, झूठ मत बोलिएगा, because भारत जानना चाहता है.
Yes.
Right? काउंसलिंग एक शब्द यूज किया कांची ने. दिस इज अ प्योर प्ले लिबरल आर्ट्स ह्यूमैनिटीज काइंड ऑफ अ कोर्स. मेरा बच्चा साइकोलॉजी पढ़ना चाहता है, क्या आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी कैन क्रिया गिव माय किड दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी वेयर माय किड कैन स्टडी साइकोलॉजी विद समथिंग एल्स? इज दैट पॉसिबल? Yes or no, black and white. And if it is possible, what are the kind of options you can give it to my child, so that my child, because Vikram, if Shivansh is supposed to come to Kriya, remember, you are my great friend. So if something goes wrong, I'm going to hold you responsible, right?
Yes.
So if Shivansh is supposed to come, I want an answer to Shivansh's father. क्या मेरा बेटा साइकोलॉजी पढ़ सकता है और उसके साथ क्या क्या पढ़ सकता है? विक्रम, ओवर टू यू.
Yeah, thank you, Abhishek, and really a pleasure being here. And to the question that you asked, yes, psychology is a major that's offered at Kriya. बिल्कुल आप कर सकते हो. और psychology जैसे psychology, अभिषेक, दोनों degrees के अंदर आता है, depending on universities. हमारे यहाँ पे psychology comes under the sciences. It is a BSc honors degree that you get in psychology when you do a majors. And I think psychology आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो रहा है. And you know, one of the reasons obviously is because CBSE is offering it as a subject in 11th and 12th. But other than that, also I feel is that the lot of future jobs is going to depend on humanities and people who can understand societies, cultures, people. You know, any job that you want to do in the future, right? So psychology, तो जैसे आप कोई भी university से psychology पढ़ सकते हो, right? The benefit that you have of studying psychology in a, say, a liberal university, right? Again, you know, tying actually, Abhishek, get back to computer science. आप psychology और computer science पढ़ सकते हो साथ में. You know, and imagine, I've also studied computer science, right? और मैंने जब at the end of the year, when I went into a job, I got a job as a testing manager, but मेरे को ना 3 महीने का training दिया था उन्होंने, right? Every IT company gives you a tech training. अब आप अज्यूम करिए कि आज कोई बच्चा सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग करके बाहर आता है एंड स्टडीड, यू नो, टेक सब्जेक्ट्स, और एक बच्चा है जिसने बीएससी किया है साइकोलॉजी एज अ मेजर, राइट, एंड हु हैज डन अ माइनर इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, जिसको पाइथन और थोड़े बहुत कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस आते हैं. नाउ इफ अ गूगल कम्स ऑन कैंपस एंड सेज दैट आई वांट अ स्टूडेंट टू डेवलप टू वर्क इन यूजर एक्सपीरियंस टेक्नोलॉजी, जिसको यूजर के बारे में पता हो, जिसको उसके बिहेवियर्स के बारे में पता हो, जिसको पता हो कि वो क्या खरीदेगा, कैसे खरीदेगा, क्यों खरीदेगा, right? Somebody who understands both humanities and technology, right? That's the benefit that, and दोनों को कंप्यूटर में तो फिर ट्रेन करना ही है, मेरे को इसको भी करना है, इसको भी करना है. Then who would you hire? What would your you know, logical answer be? So that is what I think happens in a liberal university. और बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, अभिषेक, जैसे मैंने कंप्यूटर्स पढ़ा है, बट आई एम नॉट अ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर टुडे, राइट? हम में से कितने लोगों ने डिड वी स्टडी टू बिकम अ काउंसलर? अंडरग्रेड में जो आप करते हो वो आपका फाउंडेशन डिग्री होता है. उस टाइम पे आपको पता नहीं होता है कि आपको क्या करना है लाइफ में. 17-18 साल में अपने को, मेरे को तो कुछ अभी भी नहीं पता कि मेरे को क्या करना है लाइफ में, राइट?
You needed a person like me, Vikram. You needed a person.
Yeah, absolutely. I needed a career counselor at that time. I didn't have anybody, right? But I'm saying that आजकल इतना ज़्यादा information exposure हो गया बच्चों को कि they don't know what to decide and what to study, right? तो लिबरल एजुकेशन में क्या होता है, जैसे आपको साइकोलॉजी पसंद है बट आपको इकोनॉमिक्स भी पसंद है, यू कैन स्टडी इकोनॉमिक्स अलॉन्ग विद साइकोलॉजी. यू कैन, आई हैव स्टूडेंट्स who are in studying at Kriya right now who are interested in psychology and music and the arts, and they want to get into music therapy and healing, and there's so many new things that's coming up. So definitely a possibility. Yes, psychology पढ़ सकते हो, और psychology के साथ आप economics, computer science, maths, sociology, politics, history कुछ भी पढ़ सकते हो.
Right. So parents, this is very important for you to understand. आप लोगों को ये चीज समझना होगा. 600 के करीब लोग हैं विक्रम इस वक्त रूम में. 300 से चालू करा था before the start of the webinar, right? Parents, please understand this. आपके मेरे लिए करियर्स पता नहीं क्यों इंजीनियरिंग, मेडिसिन और मे बी सीए, सीएस पे जाके खत्म हो जाते हैं. विक्रम कितना सही बोल रहे हैं. Can you imagine? And I'm going to accept it with a, you know, with a pinch of salt that income tax might chase me. I might be possibly one of the highest paid career counselors in the country. I would not have earned so much and enjoyed my life so much because my job allows me to travel, meet people like Kanchi, meet people like Vikram, make relationships and still be emotionally gratified कि मैंने आज पूरे दिन में अगर एक बच्चे को भी मदद कर दी और उसका करियर बन गया तो मेरा जीवन सफल हो गया. Career counseling is a big career. Now imagine if you wanted to become a career counselor, a little bit of knowledge of psychology, right? But is important. However, career counseling को भी marketing चाहिए. तो अगर आप career counseling करने के लिए, if you have to market yourself and if you have to start your own practice, imagine if somebody can study psychology with communications, psychology with media and communications. Imagine एक advertising company में parents सिर्फ एक क्रिएटिव डिजाइनर नहीं काम करता है. एक एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी में एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट काम करता है जिसको विक्रम बोल रहे थे कि कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर की समझ. इकोनॉमिक्स एंड साइकोलॉजी कैन गेट यू इनटू कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर. इकोनॉमिक्स प्लस साइकोलॉजी कैन गेट यू इनटू बिहेवियरल इकोनॉमिक्स, कैन गेट यू इनटू मार्केट रिसर्च. आप इन सब करियर्स के बारे में सोचिए बिकॉज ये फ्यूचर है. ये इतना बड़ा फ्यूचर है कि आपको सीए सीएस छोटा दिखने लग जाएगा. With all due respect, if the kids are interested in CACS, allow them to go and do CACS. But that should not be the end of the world. Coming back to you, Vikram, my next question. In today's time, most of the parents, there are 600 of them listening to us right now and thousands on the Facebook. In today's time, Vikram, there are two kinds of degrees available in India. A 3-year degree and a 4-year degree. मैं जब पेरेंट्स से बात करता हूं और आपको पता है विक्रम, आई काउंसिल ऑलमोस्ट 2500 स्टूडेंट्स अ ईयर. मैं सबको बोलता हूं इफ यू हैव एन ऑप्शन ऑफ अ 4-year डिग्री, प्लीज सेंड योर चाइल्ड टू अ 4-year डिग्री, राइट? प्लीज, बिकॉज वो चौथा साल जो सिखाता है उसको एक्सपीरियंस बोलते हैं, उसको रिसर्च बोलते हैं, उसको इंटर्नशिप बोलते हैं, और उसके बिना कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड अधूरा है, राइट? Kriya offers a 3-year program, Vikram, or a 4-year program. I know it, but I want people to know from your mouth. Because जब मैं क्रिया की बड़ाई करता रहता हूं, जब मैं अशोका की बड़ाई करता हूं, जब मैं फ्लेम की बड़ाई करता हूं, और मैं बोलता हूं कि ये 3 कॉलेजेस दिल्ली, मुंबई, पुणे, बैंगलोर इन सबसे बढ़िया है, तो शायद पब्लिक को लगता है करियर काउंसलर है, बोलने को बोला गया है तो बोल रहा है. I want to hear from you, a 3-year program or a 4-year program, Vikram?
Absolutely. I think, Abhishek, there is a technical error here, right? So what happens is Kriya offers a BA and a BSc degree, right? These are degrees that are to be only 3 years in India. वो हमारे UGC University Grants Commission से ऐसे बोला गया कि it can be only 3 years, right? So what all of us have done is that we offer a 3+1 year degree, right? 3 साल का तो आप कर ही रहे हो BA और BSc honors. उसके बाद you get a 4th year which is a postgraduate diploma which is in advanced studies. So for example, आपने जैसे कि economics पढ़ा है along with say political science, और आपको international relations में जाना है या trade में जाना है या UNICEF में जाके काम करना है, तो 3 years में तो आपको degree honors वाली मिल गई. But the 4th year is really where you do research, as you said, independent research, thesis, dissertation. And why all of us focus so much on research is what differentiates you from everybody else, right? Research is knowledge creation. कि आप सिर्फ एक सब्जेक्ट को आपने पढ़ा नहीं है, बट आपने कुछ खुद से क्रिएट किया है, आप उस फील्ड में कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो. दैट इज वेयर यू बिकम एन इंटेलेक्चुअल. और आजकल कंपनीज को बहुत क्लियरली समझ में आता है हु इज एक्चुअली डन रिसर्च, राइट? So 4th year is extremely important. और हमारे यहाँ पे as I said, according to the UGC, you have to give a 3-year exit option. तो 3 साल भी आप करके you can exit the degree, right? But it is highly recommended that you do a 4-year program. अभी आप नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी देख लीजिए, वहां पे भी आपको exit options दिए गए हैं, right? After a year also you can leave your degree, or 2 years also you can leave a degree. But ideally, we think that 4 years is what is required for you to get that holistic experience from a degree.
Not just you, Vikram, even I think, and parents, I have been talking to you for last 4 years without any selfish interest. If you have to take my one advice, this be it. please allow your child to do a 4-year degree instead of a 3-year degree. That teaches your child a lot and prepares your child for the future in a much better manner. Yes, a 4-year degree, especially if it is not engineering, it is not available in India so easily. So that's why you have to go to what I call Indian international universities. Universities which are Indian, but truly international. A university like Kriya, where I have been chasing these guys for last 3 months to come and talk to you. And finally they accepted. And today we got to make them understand the power of high school moms so that they keep on coming back and talking to us. Give me once more in the chat. Give me a K for Kanchi and V for Vikram. Give me a K and V in the chat. Chat is active now. Give me a K and V. Let Vikram and Kanchi know how important these sessions are for you guys. Let Vikram and Kanchi know that you are tired of listening to the marketing companies. Let Vikram and Kanchi know that it's about time that people take high school moms seriously. Thank you so very much, Vikram and Kanchi, for taking out your super busy time and coming to us and talking to us, and not because of anything, but because you wanted to make a difference. Thank you so very much. Next question to you, Kanchi.
Sure.
This is important. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm stopping the chat right now. For those of you who are interested in listening, and I've requested, this is my request to you, Kanchi and Vikram. I know you do not do any calling. I know there is no marketing. Can I request to do a small favor for high school moms because they are mothers?
Absolutely.
I am going to circulate a Google form, and I haven't taken the approval from you guys. I'm going to circulate a Google form in the chat right now. Parents, if you are interested, if you want to know more about the courses at Kriya and the careers they can lead to, on your behalf, I am requested with my folding hats to Kanchi and Vikram. Please just ensure that somebody from your team can actually call up that kid, even if that kid is in grade 10. That kid will be mentally prepared for 2 years of what to do, and it will be a big exercise in building the nation. Is that possible, Vikram and Kanchi?
Absolutely. Abhishek will be happy to receive and engage with these parents and students at any time.
Thank you. So parents, the Google form is right there in the chat box. I have intentionally stopped the chat so that the Google form remains there. Go out there, fill it up. You can even fill it up after the session is over. Just click on it so that it opens another window and fill it up. Fill it up in huge numbers, because अगर problem ही create करना है हमको, तो बड़ा करके देंगे विक्रम और कांची को, right? So that's how we will go about doing it. Kanchi, my next question to you is,
yes,
there is a question in the chat, and just because there are a lot of questions in the chat and we will not be able to take all of them, parents, whoever will give the best question to me today, there will be a Google Home Mini from my side to that person, and I would love it if it's a kid asking a super intelligent question. All right, ask me a super intelligent question that we are unable to answer, and we are forced to tell you that we will get back to you. Okay, ask me a super intelligent question and make us feel that you are more intelligent than us, and that's a Google Home Mini for you to listen to your favorite music. Kanchi, question to you. I have been following Kriya for some time now, right? I am aware of IFMR and its legacy. और मुझे पता है कि पहले IFMR आया 50 साल पहले, उसने एक रिसर्च बेस बनाया, कॉर्पोरेट में कनेक्ट बनाया, उसके बाद 50 साल बाद जाकर के आप एक यूनिवर्सिटी लॉन्च करते हैं. Huge amount of patience and huge amount of work. And within 2 years, you are able to make your name in the industry, being among the finest top 3 in the country in liberal education. There is something called interwoven learning pedagogy approach. हिंदी में समझाऊं तो एक दूसरे के अंदर घुसा हुआ, मिला हुआ, मिश्रित हुआ एक बहुत अच्छा समीकरण साइंस, ह्यूमैनिटीज और कॉमर्स का, एक ऐसा समीकरण जो मेरे बच्चे को शायद 1 नहीं 2 नहीं 10 करियर के लिए तैयार कर देगा 4 साल के अंत में, right? What is this interwoven learning approach, Kanchi, and why is that it is sold to Kriya's philosophy?
Like you said, Abhishek, we have a strong legacy, a strong history of excellence and very high standards. So what we started as was a financial institution for research, और हम सिर्फ corporates को ही नहीं, हम लोग government of India को भी बहुत research provide करते थे on finance, right? So जो first हमारी degrees थी, MBA degrees, those were towards finance, right? So mostly पहले लोग finance के लिए आया करते थे, and then we expanded our base, brought in marketing and other fields as well. And it was only 2 years back when we decided that instead of calling it the IFMR University, we should call it Kriya University, which is really a new age university. Like, we didn't want to position ourselves as only financial experts, right? We wanted to bring in a lot more under the ambit. So what was that lot more? So if I'll take you to the first few discussions that we were having in the beginning, it was about what do we want a Kriya student to walk out as? मतलब वो अगर निकलता है क्रिया में से तो उसकी क्या कैपेबिलिटीज होनी चाहिए, क्या उसकी स्किल्स, क्या उसका वैल्यू सिस्टम होना चाहिए. We definitely want that our children should be ethical, integrity, very strong in computers because this is a digital age. We want them to be leaders. We want them to be problem solvers. We want them to be people, who embody a good foundational education, right? So that later in their second degrees, they build on it, super specialize, become who they want to become. But first degree एकदम jobs की तरफ नहीं होनी चाहिए gear. First degree हमेशा educate करनी चाहिए, बच्चे को inform करो. He is 18 years old. Let the child find out what he's good at. Let him find out these, what excites him, even if it is through elimination. This is what I don't like, but at least he needs that exposure. So that was all behind our thinking when we put interwoven learning in place. And interwoven learning ko banane ke liye, we have a very fantastic academic council, जिसमें Raghuram Rajan and Manjul Bhargav and many other very, very amazing scholars are there, and they created a set of guiding principles. If whether a child comes to do physics at Kriya or he comes to do history and philosophy and creative arts at Kriya, these are the 8 things that every curriculum must have. So one is data. Data analytics हम बच्चों को सिखाएंगे ही सिखाएंगे because the child is getting information from so many places. आज तो mobiles है, उनके पास internet है, they are getting. So how do they make sense of that information, right? So data को understand करना, biases को understand करना, उसमें से analyze करके कुछ निकालना. फिर ideas evolve कैसे हुए, ideas जा रहे हैं, what are the questions that have never been answered. आज हम वो आंसर नहीं कर पाए, हमारे बच्चे वो क्वेश्चन जरूर आंसर कर पाएंगे. The next Einstein is there in our class, right? So if we are not going to push them to think about questions which have never been answered, I think it is a small, it's not a full education. So in interwoven, what we do is we bring in, by design, we bring in interdisciplinarity. And I think Vikram touched upon it initially, that interdisciplinary learning in other liberal institutions means that the student is choosing a major somewhere and a minor somewhere, and he's combining them and he's studying them together. But the university by design is building your classes to bring in multiple subjects when you are studying. So if you are studying maths, don't be surprised when a teacher comes in with philosophy class within mathematics. When you're studying philosophy, don't be surprised when a data analyst comes and describes to you why philosophy needs data analysis. So the university has designed its curriculum such that each course will be taught by sometimes 4 or 5 people, co-taught by many teachers.
So let me cut you short.
Let
me cut you short there. Sorry to cut you short.
Sorry, that went too long. I'm a little passionate about it.
Something very interesting that came to my mind, and parents, next couple of questions are going to be very important for your child's career because they are not about Kriya. Now they are about careers, and we'll figure out whether Kriya is able to do it also for us or not. Vikram, there is a course and a career for the future called marine biology. दुनिया में सिर्फ 5% समुद्र को जाना गया है, पहचाना गया है आज तक. Marine biology is the field for the future, right? Do you have a course around marine biology? If yes, my question is, marine biology will require a lot of research, and maybe for a student to travel abroad to the best of the places where you can explore marine biology, right? For example, I've been to Australia, and you know that there is a Great Barrier Reef there, full of corals, live corals. Maldives, right? Corals. What do you think about marine biology as a career, Vikram? And where does Kriya stand when it comes to marine biology as a career?
Sure. So Abhishek, what Kriya does and what we really do is more holistic programs are offered at the undergrad level, right? जैसे आप marine biology बोल रहे हो, that's a fantastic career that's coming up, right? Because there is research and there is a lot of discovery that still needs to be done. So what we do offer at Kriya is something called environmental studies,
Wow.
which is EVS, right? Popularly, and it's offered somewhere in 11th and 12th also. तो उसमें क्या होता है? See, that's a course that you can do. Then you're open to a lot of other things. You can go into advocacy, environmental advocacy. You can get into environmental journalism. You can get into marine biology. There's so many things that you can do after you do a EVS course, right? And to talk about marine biology or something that is basic, देखिए मेरे को क्या लगता है undergrad में आपको थोड़े holistic programs करने चाहिए ताकि Masters is the time when you are really focused and you know what to study, and then you can pinpoint and do a super specialization. But that doesn't mean कि अगर आप undergrad में सोचिए कि if you do environment studies and you're interested in marine biology, at least at universities like Kriya, जो अच्छी universities है दुनिया में, they will give you opportunities to explore your interest within every major. Like for example, if you're interested in marine biology, Kriya has a partnership with the James Cook University, which is the world's best program in marine biology, right? They offer biosciences, marine biology. They have amazing programs. So Kriya students can actually do their summer schools. We are exploring study abroad programs, and that is what really is going to define कि आपका जो CV आप लेके जाओगे. Environment studies तो आप कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो. But here you are doing environment studies and you have, as you said, done a project on the Great Barrier Reef. I mean, that's really going to get you to stand apart from everybody else, right?
Right. So, Vikram, you know, the parents, this is very important for you to understand. And this is very unfortunate. मैं जब भी किसी पेरेंट से मिलता हूं तो उनके पास दो ही चीज होती है बोलने के लिए. I want my child to be successful and I want my child to be happy. This is like, I want the moon and I want to have it in my home itself. You know, how do you make your child successful? You will not be able to make your child successful if you think about past glories. You will not be able to make your child successful by saying that this worked in the past and this is how it will work in the future. For future, what you need to understand is keep your bachelor's education as liberal as possible. While Vikram was saying that environmental studies की पढ़ाई करते हैं, आपने मैंने अपने टाइम पे EVS को importance नहीं दिया. Imagine today, even if the child studies environmental studies, the child can work into sustainability. The child can work into ecological development. Every construction company, every engineering company today needs a manager who can understand the norms of sustainability, the green construction, the ecological balance, the creating of smart cities. आप और मैं रोज न्यूज में सुनते हैं गवर्नमेंट डे आफ्टर डे, मंथ आफ्टर मंथ स्मार्ट सिटीज के टेंडर्स दे रही है. Smart cities is not just about IT. It is about renewable energy. It is about less damage to the environment. And that's where a program like environmental studies will come into picture, which can not only lead your child to marine biology, which is a super awesome career and a very high paying career, but can also lead your child to some of the normal careers that you and me see around, but we do not pay attention to it, right? Vikram, there was a very interesting gesture before I go to Kachi and ask last few questions. The reference was to James Cook University, right? Vikram, I understand that you have, Kriya is such a big name that you might be having 5, 10, 15 international tie-ups. Their students can come to your university and study. Your students can go there and study, or maybe research purposes, because India over last 50, 70 years, we have not really developed in research. And that's why it is important कि मेरे बच्चे को, हाई स्कूल मॉम्स के बच्चों को वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले जो उनको बाहर की फीस भी ना देनी पड़े, बट बाहर की क्वालिटी इंडिया में मिले. एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर क्रिया इज ऑफरिंग दैट, एंड दैट्स द ओनली रीजन जब आप लोग नहीं भी होते हो तो भी मैं क्रिया का डंका बजाता रहता हूँ, राइट? my question to you, Vikram, is, and I'm sorry, I know you are not used to such informal talks, Vikram, but this community is about reaching to the heart, not to the brain.
Sure.
Right? And that's why it is being candid and informed. Now, my question to you is, tie up with great universities is fine. What if my child has to do a great internship? क्या आपके कॉर्पोरेट से टाई अप हैं? क्या आपके उन इंस्टीट्यूशन से टाई अप हैं जो बहुत अच्छी इंटर्नशिप दे? बिकॉज जब इंटर्नशिप पे बच्चा होता है ना विक्रम, तो वो अगर अच्छा परफॉर्म करता है तो ना तो वो सिर्फ उस इंटर्नशिप को ऑफर में कन्वर्ट कर पाता है, बट वो लाइफ के लिए तैयार हो जाता है उस 1 साल की इंटर्नशिप में या उस 6 महीने की इंटर्नशिप में, वेयर कॉर्पोरेट्स वैल्यू दिस किड मच मोर. Another important data before I ask Vikram to answer this question, parents, this is again from where Vikram left. He said Google अगर हायर करे तो, अगर उसने बच्चे ने साइकोलॉजी पढ़ा और कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ा, इसमें 2 बातें बहुत महत्वपूर्ण छुपी थी आपके और मेरे बच्चों के लिए. 2 things which are very very critical for your and my kid. One, there is no future without technology accepted. Whether your child wants to become a coder or doesn't want to become a coder, that's separate thing. Understanding technology is very important. अगर आपका मेरा बच्चा टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं समझेगा तो फ्यूचर में बहुत दुख पाएगा, बिकॉज फ्यूचर में सिर्फ 2 ही तरह के लोग होने वाले हैं, एक टेक्नोलॉजी बनाने वाले और दूसरे टेक्नोलॉजी कंज्यूम करने वाले. तीसरे तरह का इंसान नहीं मिलेगा फ्यूचर में. तो अगर आपके बच्चे को टेक्नोलॉजी बनाना नहीं आता तो एटलीस्ट कंज्यूम करना आना चाहिए. ये बहुत जरूरी है, राइट? सो टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत जरूरी है. ये बहुत अच्छी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज विक्रम ने बताई. दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो विक्रम ने बताई, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको डेटा देता हूं, 35% of people, mothers, high school moms, dads and students, listen to this, 35% of people in Google and Facebook, the so-called the companies of the world, do not carry master's degree. They do not carry master's degree. They are these interdisciplinary people who can talk to a client while working on technology and still managing their teams well. So psychology, customer servicing or tech, right? So psychology, economics और computer science कहाँ पढ़िएगा? दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं देगा, right? So आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा क्रिया में. तो आज से mentally prepare होना चालू कीजिए. That's very important. Again, the form is in your chat. If you want, I have already requested on your behalf. Kriya people can reach out to you. Go out there, fill the form, and we will try and request them if they can arrange a call back for you guys. Okay. I have asked you the question, Vikram. Give me the answer.
Yeah. So I think, Abhishek, आपने 2 पार्ट में वो क्वेश्चन पूछा है. आई थिंक एक तो आपने पूछा है कि एक्सपोजर कैसे मिलेगा बच्चे को इंडिया में बैठे हुए, इंडिया की यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हुए. हाउ कैन ही गेट अ ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर? एंड सेकंड इज ऑन करियर्स, राइट? And what a student can do actually after studying at Kriya. I'll answer the second one first actually. So I'm sure, मतलब I don't know how many of your audiences या जितने भी moms हैं आज जो इस पे है, I don't know how many of them have visited the Kriya website. अगर आप जाके देखोगे, हमारी governing council को देखोगे, लोग जो है who have partnered with Kriya, if you look at them, these are people who are change makers of India. Whether it is Anand Mahindra, Sajjan Jindal, Dheeraj Hinduja, Ratan Tata. We recently have.
जिन्होंने इन बच्चों को हायर करना है, finally.
जिन्होंने इन बच्चों को हायर करना है.
Right.
We have recently have Rajiv Memani, who is the chairman of Ernst & Young India. So these are the people who are on the governing council of Kriya. So put together, they own more than 500 companies, and most of them are committed to hiring from Kriya, right? So even though we don't have a stat to show, many of them, like जैसे first year के बाद सबने ना एक social internship करनी होती है, where they have to go into an NGO. And for a batch of 113, we got them 150 projects from the Office of Career Services. So they are working for Teach for India with a company called Landisa, which is into land rights for women, which is based in Seattle. So already that is happening in the first year, right? And the second part is about partnerships, right? And what do we do? What do we mean by partnerships? आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि मतलब हम ये चाहते हैं कि when students go abroad, they really go for that added value जो उनको इंडिया में ना मिले, right? They want to get that added advantage. So we are not tying up with any university as such. तो 3 तरह की चीजें हम लोग कर रहे हैं partnerships में. एक तो university partnerships है. जैसे आप मैंने बोला जेम्स कुक यूनिवर्सिटी, उसके अलावा जैसे अभी किसी बच्चे को
I know that you are a partner with U Chicago, which is one of the finest in the world.
एब्सोल्युटली
University of Chicago, विक्रम, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं पेरेंट्स, ये वो यूनिवर्सिटी है जिसने मुझे रिजेक्ट किया था. So imagine the university which rejected me. It has to be really good because it's very difficult to reject a person like Abhishek Gupta, Vikram. I'm telling you.
No, I don't know what was the reason, but anyways, yes, we have a partnership with U Chicago. So if somebody is interested in say data and policy, we have partnership with the Harris Public Policy School. And इसी साल one student who went from Bombay and she got 100% scholarship to do a summer program on data and policy from the University of Chicago, sitting at home. We have partnerships with Berkeley Global, जहाँ पे आप कोई भी तरह का, and you know Abhishek, we are not just looking at America and UK, जो typically India में होता है, right? But we are also looking at countries like Ireland, for example, right? So Ireland is one of the few English-speaking countries in Europe, and Ireland is now becoming the hub of tech and data. अब जो भी देख लो, Google, HP, Intel, इनके सारे जो headquarters है यूरोप के Ireland में हो रहे हैं. And we've partnered with the University College Cork, for study abroad programs. We've gone to New Zealand, Victoria University है जो international relations policy में इतनी अच्छी है, so we've partnered with them. We've gone to Deakin from Australia, King's College. So we are looking at universities. Yes.
Wow, King's College London, super awesome. One of my students just went to King's College London. Very good.
Major wise partnerships. जैसे अगर आपको psychology पढ़ना है तो Nottingham Trent University offers a very good psychology program. So we're looking at कि कौन सा आप मेजर कर रहे हो, कहाँ पे जा सकते हो. So that's university partnerships, right? But internships के लिए we have something called institutional partnerships. So उसके अंदर एक बहुत अच्छा type है, which is called the Academic Internship Council. You can actually Google it. This is based in the US. And this is the body that gives internships to even some of the Ivy League universities. Yes, Yale is a partner with AIC, right?
Wow.
And India mein, Kriya is the only university to have partnered with them, right? So Kriya students can do internships obviously in India, but in about 20 global cities around the world, including Singapore, Berlin, New York, Australia. तो ये सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज उनको मिलेगी when they come to Kriya. We're growing. अभिषेक अभी शुरू किया है, अभी एक ही साल हुआ है क्रिया को, but I think by the time students come into Kriya, there will be more opportunities.
Vikram, it is not about past glories. I have been telling to the parents, imagine even after 1 hour, Vikram, we are still holding 500 plus on the Zoom. Tell me how many people can actually say that, right? Now, it is not about past glories, people. Please understand. पास्ट में हिंदुस्तान सोने की चिड़िया था, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम आज काम करना बंद कर दें. हमें आज ज्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज अब हम सोने की चिड़िया नहीं है. So it is not about past glories, it is about how quickly you can adapt to the future. And my good sense, Vikram, why I was trying to get you both on High School Moms for last 3 months was simply because ये एक ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटी थी जो कोविड से पहले, कोविड के बाद के करियर्स के लिए तैयार थी, राइट? और किसी ने नहीं सोचा था जब दिसंबर में हम लोग मी एंड माय फैमिली वाज टेकिंग वेकेशन, राइट, अब्रॉड. नोबडी थॉट दैट 5 months वी विल बी सिटिंग इन द होम, राइट, एंड वर्ल्ड विल चेंज. Nobody thought that. That brings me to very important questions, Vikram, and I need quick answers from you and Kanchi. So let me just ask Kanchi first. Kanchi, what kind of scholarships do you offer at Kriya?
Okay.
Right.
So Kriya has something known as a financial assistance program. This is completely need-based. We do not offer merit-based scholarships because every student who comes into the Kriya batch is very, very highly meritorious. For us, they are all meritorious. We don't want to give merit, but we give need-based financial assistance to anyone and everyone who will apply to us. They have the opportunity to ask for it, right? We will look at the family income. We will look at the family wealth. We will see how many dependents they have, what sort of commitments they have. There will be a form. There could be an interview with our finance department, and then we will try and figure out how much we need to help the family. And if we feel that the family needs 100% aid, we will provide 100% aid. If we feel that the family can pay about 50% of the fees, but they require 50, we will do that. So ranging from 0 to 100 and 100 plus aid, we are ready to give it to us.
And I know that you have a very strict admissions procedure, a very, very holistic admissions procedure.
Yes.
I know that. quickly, Vikram, I am a staunch advocate of SAT. I'm a staunch advocate of SAT. और मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है कि मैं पेरेंट्स को बोल बोल के थक गया, उनको समझ क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. So mothers, again with folded hands, don't make your children write 20 different entrances when your child can write one. That is called the SAT, and SAT is accepted in 36 universities in India. And let's hear it from the Assistant Director Outreach of Kriya. Do you guys accept SAT? Yes or no?
We do, Abhishek. So SAT certainly is one of the things. So Kriya, as you know, is a holistic application process, right? तो हमारे यहाँ पे 18 से 20 data points है जो हम collect करते हैं before we make an offer. जिसके अंदर 2 steps है actually of application. Right? The first step is an online application. जैसे आप बहुत लंबा है, थोड़ा comprehensive है, but we really want to know the student. तो उसके अंदर आपका personal story आ गया, academic scores आ गया, 9th, 10th, 11th और 12th predicted scores. उसके अंदर co-curriculars आ गया. So co-curriculars is where you are putting things to augment your academics. Olympiads है, online courses है, research papers है. Then we have extracurriculars, sports, music, performing arts, theatre, social work. बहुत सारी जो भी चीजें बच्चों ने करी है from 9th onwards. So actually from whenever in their life, if they've done something, if they want to show that to us, application में जगह है वो डालने के लिए, right? So you have to write and really think कि आप क्या लिख रहे हो. And then the final thing we look at is SAT and ACT scores. But Abhishek, for us, अगर आप SAT देते हो तो आप हमारे जो process है उसमें से कुछ भी आपको exemption नहीं मिलता है. The only advantage that you get by writing an SAT, which is the big advantage I feel, is एक तो आपके if you don't have a good grade 12 predicted scores, and if you have a good SAT score, then SAT sort of overrides your grade 12 score. That's a big advantage, right? The second big advantage is you have an option of getting a confirmed offer. बहुत बड़ी चीज है क्योंकि आप जब भी प्रेडिक्टेड देते हो आपको एक कंडीशनल ऑफर करके देती है यूनिवर्सिटी.
अगर 12th का रिजल्ट हाथ में नहीं है तो आपको कंडीशनल ऑफर मिलेगा,
देना पड़ेगा.
अगर आपके पास SAT का स्कोर पहले है, पेरेंट्स बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज है. देखिए, एंड दिस इज अ ह्यूज एडवांटेज. आप सोचिए कि आप फॉर्म पहले भर रहे हैं, 12th के रिजल्ट्स का वेट कर रहे हैं, आपको कंडीशनल ऑफर लेटर मिला है. कंडीशनल ऑफर लेटर में लिखा है कि इफ यू गेट 90% यू आर देयर इनसाइड, एंड लेट्स से, और इफ यू गेट 85% यू आर देयर इनसाइड. खुदा ना खास्ता आपके बच्चे का 70-75% आ जाता है, एक क्वेश्चन मार्क क्रिएट कर देती है यूनिवर्सिटी. सो इधर विक्रम बोल रहे हैं कि अगर आप SAT देकर के अप्लाई करेंगे तो जो आपको ऑफर लेटर मिलेगा वो कंफर्म मिलेगा, उसके बाद आपके 12th के स्कोर्स मैटर नहीं करेंगे. सो दिस इज सच अ बिग एडवांटेज. और मेरी एक सलाह मानिए, जो दो मैं आपको लॉटरी खेलने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा, बट इफ यू डू नॉट प्ले अ लॉटरी यू विल नेवर विन अ लॉटरी. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू शुड अप्लाई फॉर द लॉटरी व्हिच इज वेरी हाई of the value, like a University of Kriya. So please keep it in mind. Please keep it in mind that you have to apply for a university like Kriya, because it does not get better when you have a university of international standard. I call Kriya as a global university, truly global, yet very local, right? So I call Kriya as a very global university. So do apply for them. There is a form in the box there, in the chat box. Do fill it. Another important announcement before I forget, we are bringing a super informative webinar now, this time with the best of the universities of Canada. Canadian universities are going to come, and universities like University of Toronto and Waterloo and Ryerson and Huron and Western will be coming on August 30th, again on High School Moms. The link is in the chat box again. Go out there, register for it, and I will see you next Sunday. Like I said, every Sunday, 11:30 a.m. is the family time with High School Moms, so be there. My next question to you, both, whoever wants to take it up. What is the fee structure at Kriya? And what, I understand that you have a need-based scholarship. If you like a student, will you take the student or will you let the student go? That's an ethical question that I will definitely want an answer for. But what is the kind of fee structure are we looking at?
Vikram, go ahead, please.
Yeah. So basically, the fee structure, so Abhishek, fee structure is really at Kriya is dependent on your or whoever's the family, their income and their affordability. So it's not same for everybody. But if you are a family with an income of say more than 50 lakhs a year, then you pay the full fee, which is about 6.75 lakhs, that's tuition, and 1.5, which is the living expenses. So around 8.25 is the fee for the first year, right? At Kriya, and year on year that fees might increase. So that's actually, so roughly you're looking at an 8.5 lakh tuition and living. But as I said, if you, matlab Kriya mein kya hai ki if you see, money should never stop anybody from applying to Kriya. आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हो नहीं कर सकते हो वो हम पे छोड़ दीजिए, बिकॉज द फाइनेंशियल एड टीम विल, अगर आपको सिलेक्शन हो गई है आपकी, तो वी विल रियली लुक एट फाइनेंशियल एड. और हमारे यहाँ पे in the first batch, Abhishek, almost 25 students out of the 113 are studying at no cost. So money really isn't a problem. You have to apply. मेरिट के बेसिस पे आपको पहले एडमिशन देना है, उसके बाद आप वरी करिएगा फीस की.
This is very important. This is very important now. New education policy आया. मैं क्रिया को इतने टाइम से फॉलो कर रहा हूं, मुझे तो ये समझ में आया कि एक यूनिवर्सिटी है जो इसमें पहले से ही फिट बैठती है. They are already doing everything which new education policy is asking the universities to do. Right? Give me some sense. Vikram, I have seen your campus. Guys, it is phenomenal. Okay, I mean, man, you have invested money in your campus. It's like you have invested a lot of money. I understand, because अगर बच्चा उस कैंपस में रह करके enjoy नहीं करेगा तो पढ़ेगा कैसे? I understand that concept. So beautiful campus it is. What are the kind of student clubs? Vikram, I am a big fan of a university जहां पे मेरे बच्चे को पढ़ाई के साथ साथ 5 और चीज कराइए. Right? He should be able to form a club, launch a club, be a part of the club. Do you have any clubs in your university? Do you give that opportunity? Yes or no?
Absolutely we do. And in fact, Abhishek, हमारा एक बहुत अच्छा policy है on student life. There is an office of student life that works with the students, and the approach that we've taken is self-governance. कि आप decide करिए आपको university कैसे चलानी है, the student life culture आपको कैसे करना है, right? So when the students came in the last year, they've already formed about 18 clubs. Everything from music, dance, nature, whatever. There's a gaming club also. Whatever you can come up with, and you can actually, reason with faculty and say this club is required on campus. You have a movie screening club, theater club. तो वो club campus पे है. और उस like typically आप क्या करते हो, 8 से 4 तक, 8 से 2 के बीच में actually classes होती है, और 2 से 5 आपके writing है, assignments है, पढ़ना, whatever reading you have to do. After 5 o'clock, you basically engage about 2 to 3 hours every day with club activities. और clubs के अलावा there is a full student government structure. इस बार हमारे बच्चे when they've come in, they're actually writing the government structure, student government. वो अपना खुद का preamble लिख रहे हैं कि कैसे, how will things form. So it's very vibrant.
Very good. Okay, Kanchi, back to back 2 questions to you. Quick and short answers. We are almost 1 hour into the...
Sure.
You are more of a counselor at heart, Kanchi. I know it. You are supporting high school moms since the very beginning. Ladies, this is for you to understand. आपको जो high school moms दिखता है, वो सिर्फ अभिषेक गुप्ता और दिव्या खंडेलवाल नहीं है. वो कांची खन्ना है, और वो कांची जैसे बेहतरीन लोग हैं इंडस्ट्री के, जो एक्चुअली उस मूवमेंट को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपको ये वेबिनार्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रहा है, और आप उससे अपने बच्चों को एक बेहतरीन करियर दे पाएंगे. It is all about empowering you and empowering your children. Keep supporting high school moms. Go out there today. And those of you who are not members of our Facebook group, go out there and join our Facebook group. Just search facebook.com/groups/high school moms, and you will be able to answer 3 questions. This is only for mothers. For fathers, there is a high school mom Facebook page, and there is a high school moms Instagram page called highschoolmoms.community. For those who want to follow me, there is my Instagram handle is abhishekgupta.coach. But I am not important, you are. So highschoolmoms.community on Instagram, high school moms Facebook page for fathers and students, and high school moms Facebook group for mothers. Go out there and register for it, like it, follow it, and make the word spread around, because we will not stop till the time each and every mother in this country, whether it is Bihar, or whether it is Jharkhand, or whether it is Karnataka, Kerala, or Jammu and Kashmir, every mother in this country becomes a career counselor. Like Kanchi is a career counselor and not an outreach person. My question to you, Kanchi, what will you see as a mother?
Okay.
3 things. What will you see as a mother? 3 things when you choose a university.
Okay.
Okay. And Vikram, then you have to answer it by saying, that do you have all three? And Kanchi, cross your heart and hope to die. 3 things as a mother that you will see in the university.
So definitely the first, the program that my child is interested in. Second, the quality of people who are teaching it. And the third will be the safety, security of my child as a mother.
Wow. Wow. Vikram, three things which a mother would want for the child. The program which can give me a great learning and a great career. 2, a campus which is safe and sound for my child. Right? Does Kriya offer all that, Vikram?
Yeah. So basically, yes to all three actually. Kriya offers almost all. मतलब आप देख लो permutation combinations, so we have more than 150 permutations and combinations that's possible, right?
In subject, 150 in subject combinations.
Yes.
Wow.
There are open electives, there are joint majors, there are concentrations, majors, minors, बहुत सारी चीजें that you can do, right? So that definitely yes, we offer almost all academic programs. Second question is about the safety of the campus. Well, to really bias anybody, but South India is relatively safer, from the rest of the country, but not taking that away. The campus itself is a 40-acre campus. We have Captain Ramesh, who's a retired Air Force personnel who's running.
Okay, I think there is some connectivity issue. Vikram, there is some connectivity issue. I'll have to stop you there because we are running way out of time.
Okay.
But if you can try once again, last 2 sentences, Vikram, if you can try once again.
So it doesn't matter. I'll take that up, Abhishek. We had a CISF team who did an audit of the campus, and they made sure that we made all possible arrangements.
Yeah, I have muted him because, yeah,
okay.
Go ahead.
So the CISF team, even before we started, had put in place all the checks and things that we should do, from fencing to CCTVs to having guards patrolling the outer perimeter all the time. And also we are within the Sri City community. The Sri City itself has their own levels of security. So we are not on the highway. We are much inside it, inside the special economic zone, which has its own security system. Plus we have ours.
Wonderful, wonderful. So ladies and gentlemen, that's Kanchi Khanna, a very good friend of mine, a true human being, a super awesome mother.
You're embarrassing me now.
And that's Vikram Patel. One more time, last one sentence, your parting message. And on that, I definitely want to know, before I announce the award, the Google Home Mini for almost 400 of them who are still inside the Zoom room. And at the peak on Facebook, we hit about, oh my God, we hit about 4,122 at the peak on Facebook. And we're still holding to about 1,800 on Facebook and almost 400 on the Zoom.
Wow.
After 1 hour and 45 minutes, rather more than that, because we started at 11:15. What is your message to all the mothers who are listening to you, Kanchi and Vikram? What do you think High School Moms is doing? Do you resonate with the idea? Do you think every mother needs to become a counselor? That's the one statement that I want from you. And second, one parting message. Before I remind everybody in the Zoom, please go ahead and fill out the form. I have requested from your side to Kanchi Khanna and Vikram Patel. They will ensure their team will reach out to your child, to you, explain them about career first, and then if the Kriya is able to offer you that course. So they will do counseling, which is very important for your and my child. Please do that. Over to you, Kanchi. One message to high school moms, community.
To all mothers, I will put out like a 5-step. I'm not going to describe the steps. So a 5-step thing that you should do for your child. And I think Ines and high school moms are great help for you there. The first is to reflect, question what your child, ask the question to child to question himself, understand himself, embrace himself, understand what his strengths and weaknesses are. Second, reach out to a consultant, reach out to Abhishek Gupta and me. Third, upgrade yourself in whatever you feel your gaps are. Make sure you do that. Become an open-minded person and connect. This is a world of networking. Do that.
Networking is the key to success. बच्चों, अगर आप मेरे से सुन रहे हो, दोस्ती सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं होती. फोन उठाओ और अपने दोस्तों से बात करो. फोन उठाओ, उस टीचर को फोन करो जिसने कभी तुम्हारी मदद करी थी. Pick up the phone and call up your father's friend and say hello on a Diwali and a Holi, because these are the people who will help you get a job, and these are the people who will help you succeed. There is no life alone. You're living in a social world. Be a social animal. Don't be an animal. Be a social animal. Don't be an animal. Vikram, your parting words.
Actually, I completely agree with what Kanchi said. And, you know, the only thing I want to tell students is open your eyes, you know, look at what's happening around the world. Be very observant. कि क्या हो रहा है, and even for mothers, right? And just look at what's happening, right? और जो जैसे Abhishek said, you know, 18th century curriculum, 20th century faculty, 21st century children, look at what's happening and read, understand. There are so many sources. Come to people like Abhishek, like Divya, people who've known the industry so much, people who understand trends, right? और थोड़ा जानिए उसके बाद, क्योंकि आप अपनी पूरी लाइफ इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो. इट्स नॉट कि आपने शर्ट खरीद ली, अच्छी नहीं लगी तो फेंक दी. दिस इज अबाउट योर लाइफ्स डिसीजन. और नाउ डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कि आप इस पे कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो. आप सोचते भी हो कि आपको क्या करना है, कि या फिर ऐसे नहीं है कि आपका एटीट्यूड है कि 12वीं के रिजल्ट के बाद आई विल सी के क्या करना है. अभी से स्टार्ट करिए.
Career is always planned well in advance. So everybody, please listen to me. If your child is in grade 9 and 10, start engaging with the child. Spend that desert time with the child. Get to know the child. And that's how you will evolve the child into a great career professional. That's very, very important. और दूसरी चीज, parents, please मेरे से लेके जाइए. हम लोग वो गाड़ी लोन पे ले आते हैं जो शोरूम से निकलते ही 5 लाख रुपए टूट जाएगी. हम लोग उस मकान को लोन पे लेते हैं जिसपे साल दर साल हमें इंटरेस्ट देना है. बट हम शायद बच्चे के लिए उस पढ़ाई पे लोन लेना भूल जाते हैं जिस बच्चे ने अपने जीवन में ऐसी 5 गाड़ियां खरीदनी है और ऐसे 10 मकान बनाने हैं. Remember one thing, if I am the business, then one business can make me 5 houses. 5 houses will never make one business. So invest on yourself, learn, unlearn, relearn, but keep on doing it. And definitely go out there and fill the form. Reach out to Kriya University. They are the finest. When I say it from the from the bottom of my heart, cross my heart and hope to die. They're one of the finest in the country. Go out there and seek information from them. Before I let you go, both of you, I have a question from Neeraj Joshi. Neeraj, a very intelligent question. You are in grade 10. And beta, such an articulate question and such a deep question. I want to read out the question. Not sure if I can answer it right now. Neeraj Joshi from Chennai says, I'm a grade 10 student and I'm really interested in studying something in medicine or something related to medicine. I don't want to become a doctor. So I don't want to become a doctor. But I want to explore life, study a little bit of biology. Do you think it is possible for me to come and study biology with something else and still be in medicine allied professions, not become a doctor? Do you have an answer, Vikram and Kanchi? Because I definitely have. But
Vikram, you will take that, but definitely yes, you can study biology and life sciences at Kriya, and this would be your first degree, and this could lead to many super specializations later. Vikram, do you want to specifically answer?
Yeah, no, I agree with you, Kanchi. I think look at what COVID has done to us, right? It's just brought public health at the forefront, right? And biology is such a beautiful course. You don't have to be a doctor. You can go and work for Biocon, which is leading in research. You can go and work for a wet lab, virology, epidemiology. There's so many things that you can do. You can study biology and economics and get into bioeconomics of how around the world is looking at medicine and price points and so much. I mean, don't worry, you can do biology and you can do even music and you will find a career.
Yeah, pharma as an industry is going to really grow now at the forefront.
So this is super awesome, both of you. Ladies and gentlemen, see how biology can be combined with economics. Even if you study biology, you can study microbiology, bacteriology, virology, epidemiology. These are the careers for the future, and all of a sudden, a lot of focus has come on it. अचानक से governments को realize हुआ है कि it is very good to go to Mars. It is super awesome to land on moon, but it is very important to even solve problems like these, which can bring the entire world to a standstill. So a lot of money will flow into microbiology and biology related and allied careers. but some of the amazing careers can actually emerge when your child studies biology and economics. And imagine your child is not working in research about how to create a medicine, but how to make medicine affordable for everybody. That's also a great career. So be right there. Keep on exploring about futuristic careers. Life में हमेशा आगे की तरफ सोचिए. Future ही जीवन है. So futuristic careers are very important. This was the agenda of entire discussion today, where we connected future careers, future trends with higher education at Kriya University. Thank you so very much, Kachi. Thank you, Vikram, for taking out time and joining and enlightening thousands and thousands of high school moms. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time I'm enabling the chat. For those of you who are still left behind, please say a big thank you to our panelists. Chat is enabled. A big thank you to our panelists. And please do go ahead and fill up the form if you want Kriya University to reach out to you. They will ensure that only those who are interested, that those are the people who will get a call. And also be there on August 30th when we are talking to the best of the Canadian universities. Support high school moms. It's you, the mothers, because of which High School Mom exists. Support high school moms. Follow us on Facebook group. Follow us on Facebook page. Follow us on Instagram. This is Abhishek Gupta signing off on behalf of high school moms, Kachi Khanna and Vikram Patel and Divya Khandelwal. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. See you. One quick group picture in your best, because while you were talking, I could not. One. Okay. Super awesome. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you. Thank you, Kachi. Thank you, Vikram. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, Kachi. Bye, Vikram.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you for this.
You can exit because I'm letting the chat. Okay. Guys, the Google form is coming in the chat again. The Google form is coming in the chat again. Go out there and register on the Google form. The Canada's universities, talk is also in the chat. Go out there and register for university, talk by a Canadian university. I'm bringing University of Toronto and Waterloo. These are the top 2 in Canada, one of the finest in the world. Sagar, if you can stop the chat with, guys, please stop the chat so that the form can stay there. Please stop the chat. The form for reaching out to Kriya and the link to register for our webinar on August 30th. Neeraj Joshi from Chennai wins the Google Home winning. Neeraj, we have your email ID. We have your phone number. We will reach out to you and we will take your address within today evening and you will receive your Google Home Mini in next 5 days time. Thank you so very much. Mothers, parents, and students, keep supporting high school moms. It's because of you high school moms is high school moms. Let's force each and every educational company and university and college to come here and talk to all of us, because our voice matters, because we are nobody but high school moms. Thank you so very much. Take care, stay home, stay safe, enjoy your weekend. Fill up the form again to reach out to Kriya University and be there. I'll see you all on August 30th, next Sunday, 11:30 a.m., talking to the best of the universities in Canada and also talking about how we can make going to Canada affordable. My last suggestion to all the parents who are still there, please make your child write the SAT. And if you want your child to write the SAT, there are lots and lots of students who come to me each year, year after year, to prepare for SAT. You can reach out to my team on the below number in the chat. The number is 99588799749. I'll repeat 99588799749. Once more for you, 99588799749. That's the number you can reach out to talk to me about SAT. If you want to talk to me about careers, you can reach out to me on 991022 5520. 991022 5520. 991022 5520. Thank you so very much. Look forward to see you in our next webinar on August 30th with the best of Canadian universities. Take care. Bye-bye.